Hello again, and welcome to Dinosaur Ditty-Wa. Now, to start off, we talked in our first song about eggs at the very end. So, I know we just had Easter. Many people were searching for Easter eggs. So, I was thinking about eggs, and I wondered if you could think of anything else that came out of eggs. Birds, lizards, dinosaurs too, right? Not anymore, obviously. So I thought we'd do a fun song about dinosaurs today. Now, Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, there's two things we're going to talk about before we start to sing and play and dance. The first one is when we sing Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, that's your chance to sing along. I don't expect you to know all the other words. So we're going to really quick practice how we sing Dinosaur Ditty-Wa. So I'm going to start off and sing, T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. That's all you have to sing. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Now you try it with me, I'll go nice and slow. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Excellent, nice job. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk to you about is the movements for this song. You have two choices. Either you can just dance around like a dinosaur, and that would be okay with me, or this song does have some movements that go along with it. So while we're singing T-Rex is coming and he's stomping, you're going to move your arms and stomp your feet. So you're stomp, 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 and then on Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, you're going to put your hands on your hips, and you're going to go side to side and shake your hips back and forth. So it would look like this. T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Then we go to look. Looking for his supper, I don't wanna be found. Same thing, hands on hips. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Very nice. Now the second section, this will repeat throughout the song. We're gonna say he's huge and put our hands way up high, and he's tough. We're going to give ourselves strong arms. Then we'll do it a little faster. So we'll say, he's huge, he's huge, he's tough, he's tough, he's huge, he's tough, and he never eats enough. You're going to rub your stomach like you're really hungry. Everybody got that? So the next section will be, T-Rex is coming and he's ready to fight. You're still going to stomp your feet. He's coming for you. Hands on hips, Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's going to look for his supper again. And then we say our Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. The last one, you're going to change it a little. He's going to say everybody runs when T-Rex is near. So you're going to run carefully, because if you're inside like me, you might not have a whole lot of space to run. He runs, everybody runs when T-Rex is near. And looking for his supper, so let's all disappear. Very nice. Excellent job. I realize I goofed here, so I'm going to fix this really quick. No big deal. Perfect. See? We all make mistakes, and it's easy to fix them. So if we go from the beginning, you're going to start with your stomping feet with T-Rex is coming. Are you ready to do some stomping? T-Rex is coming, and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, I don't wanna be found. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge, he's huge, he's tough, he's tough, he's huge, he's tough, and he never eats enough. The next one is he's coming and he's ready to fight, so stomp those feet. T-Rex is coming and he's ready to fight. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, so get out of sight. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge, he's huge, he's tough, he's tough, he's huge, he's tough, and he never eats enough. Next one is our running, so get ready to run. Everybody runs when T-Rex is near. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, so let's all disappear. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge, he's tough, he's huge, he's tough, and he never eats enough. Now this last time, you pick your favorite dance move and go ahead and do it. Ready? Here we go. T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, I don't wanna be found. Dinosaur Excellent. Nice dancing.